Victor, Hanabi, Dreadnought. You guys here? Alright, this is going to be roleplay ops, so utilize roleplay heavily, but we are going to move you guys in VCs. So I'm going to have where's red team? The fuck? I'm going to have the 160th move to blue team, and then the 10th will stay here. Got it?
Yep.
You guys, left side is over here.
Good to know that we can swim in this game.
While in combat, can we use VC?
Yes.
Right.
I think some of the 160th need to be moved to the blue team, because I don't think I have access to that.
You guys don't have access to blue team? Okay, then I'll have the 10th 10. Blue team, red team, move into your designated VCs.
Who wants to drive? Who wants to drive?
I have never operated this kind of boat before.
I have no idea how to drive that. Like, I'm guessing it's WASD, but
How bad could it
Who
be?
wants to be the guinea pig and test if you can stand on the boat? Like stand on the deck rather than on the seats. Oh, no, perfect. That's good.
right.
Oh, yeah. This is good. This is perfect.
No, right. No, oh, it's like, oh, it's okay. It's like the boat from that game.
Yeah, we can just
Yeah.
engage on the water, hit some sentries up, and get going.
Like, I don't know, Fresh and Berg like stay at the bow of the boat with guns out. Let's see.
Yo, Fresh, how's the aim down sights with nods on?
It's not too bad.
Does it look over the sight or does it just look through the actual optic?
Neither.
You
You
only-
kind of just like shoulder it
Okay.
and zooms in a
Nick,
little bit.
Nick, can you get in a seat? Thank you.
For mine, it just kind of does a little point shooting thing. Or it also just kind of shoulders it looks over the optic.
Not the Glock. Glock you're saying that's
Right, so Berg, I think we're just gonna. Do you want to put this like bow forward, or we're gonna do it on the side
For what?
for the when we're going on the oil rig, like when we're when
Oh,
we are
we'll
landing?
probably board from the side then.
Nah, then.
I've got
Hello.
the explosives when we're blowing it up, so I guess
Yeah,
I'll play back.
I'll try and take point, I guess.
Yeah, I'm also on 30
Bro.
FPS, so I'm probably not the best option for.
I am
Oh,
also
yeah.
30 FPS.
Yeah, same. I've
Dude,
got 30
this game
FPS
is
as well.
so
So laggy.
unoptimized.
Yeah.
I
Terrible
know.
ping too.
Yeah.
I
Just gotta
shouldn't
take it a
be
bit
talking
slower.
now, so.
I've got like 250 ping, 260 ping. around
Even,
there.
even
I
the
just
10th
turned on
game
my-
is less laggy, to be honest.
Bro, honestly, Postscriptum works better than this.
Well, it's Roblox, what can you expect?
Alright, red sea means boat.
Alright,
Um,
let's go.
It's
Alright,
alright.
Right. Should we start the engine?
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Right.
Oh, it in shadow.
Yep.
Dude, this would be so much better if it wasn't so laggy, but whatever.
I know.
We just gotta take it a bit slower this time around.
Yeah, fair enough.
Right, we'll go behind red.
Where are my arms?
I think, yeah, the settings script must be a little jacked up because it doesn't show arms.
Based.
I like the
Alright.
logo.
That's like half your hitbox gone right there.
Other way around. Alright. Right, what just cool form up? Right, I think we should initiate RP now. Red team is having complications.
I think Dark crashed.
Remember, you are in character, so don't fucking die.
Yeah.
The Modern Warfare 2 soundtrack planner. Pretty lit.
If you only can get the bot in here, like movie or something.
Have to ask silenced. You could bring the bot in if you really want. Target.
Probably ding a few of them from here, to be honest.
What are they doing?
Slow 'em down.
Stopping?
They're halting. Yeah. I can't get eyes on him.
Yeah, we're a little far out. Looks like they're getting some snipers up on their boat.
I thought they were getting some mortars.
I don't think snipers are an option with this kind of dark.
They're taking binos, but I don't know how binos are gonna work if we're not having night vision or thermals.
I think binos actually work with the night vision in this game.
Yeah?
It's kind of weird, I think. Oh, what the hell? I can use my, set a glitch where I can use my main optic with the nods on.
I think we're moving.
Let's a screenshot on QP.
Alright, we're moving.
Sounds just gonna put some tunes on.
Type of tunes.
Modern Warfare 2, assaulting the submarine base.
Yeah, when you go loud.
Alright.
We're moving.
We should split priorities, have a green team stick on left, you take a right.
You know what?
Taking front port, I guess. Ooh, you're taking point, right?
What's front
Hey,
port
firm.
gonna be?
Gotcha.
He's dead ahead, he's right in front of us.
We're going starboard. That being right.
Alright, focus up, here we
Oh,
go.
they popped the flare. Well, I guess we're spotted. You ready, lads?
Alright, to jump out and disembark. Alright, someone turn me, I'm gonna hop off.
Move. I can't go any more closer.
Oh,
I'm
no.
underwater.
We're in the water. We can swim up though,
The
right?
hitbox.
We can. No, we can't. We're stuck down here.
God damn it.
The hitbox.
Wait, who
is
needs
very
who needs CP? Who needs
me
CP?
and Berg.
Fresh and I. We're drowning right now.
Okay.
Just GPS
your name?
to Shadow. II Berg and Exo keeps. GPS to Shadow. Now.
Appreciate it.
They're drowning. Are you up?
Yeah,
We're up. Alright, I'll take point.
Oh,
I'm on the side with the 160th.
Top 4 there. Shit. My
is
optics-
there? Can we only get to the stairwell?
Nice shot.
My optics aren't working for shit. Like, I don't know, it glitched out on me.
Flash.
Oh, that's a flag.
I need cover, damn it.
I don't know if I can tell.
A firm. Need to heal up
Open
real
up.
quick. Cover me.
Behind crash.
Loud up there.
I'm good to go.
Gone past this 160th guy.
Behind you.
My laser's really fucky. Alright.
Yeah,
Got me
there's
right?
little lasers, so let's go.
I guess we're going fucking loud.
Yes, we are. Alright, I'm gonna push up. Someone cover my back. I'm pushing up straight.
Got your back in.
Covering right. Pulling left there.
Backside.
Moving up.
Corner.
Oh, that was close. Holy shit. Took more hits. I'm
Flash,
really low.
flash.
Flash. Alright, I'm
Please don't
coming
cover me.
right.
I am really low.
Covering you.
Corner.
A firm.
160 is up. Nice shot, Nick.
Roger, I'm on laser here. They're peeking that direction. Holy shit.
Alright,
BT,
Around the corner, around the corner.
Alright, fresh one here.
1K. Nick's
Oh,
down.
Nick's dead. Holy shit.
One down.
Alright, moving
Alright.
up.
I'm gonna. Okay, good. I'll push forward.
Roger. I'm standing on your back. I got the explosives.
Let's.
Flash,
Oh,
flash.
shit. Plenty flat.
Two flashes.
Alright, watching this hallway here. Anyone on me?
Shit.
Contact.
Moving in. Checking rooms.
Right, I'm up.
First room clear.
Across, across.
Roger.
Got him.
Good kill.
Moving on you.
Second room, checking, clear. Third room, check, clear. Fourth room. There's a little bit of office here, actually. With me.
Right, hold on.
Change your mags.
Let's get
Rog.
here.
Yep, ready.
Alright, you get the right
Right.
one and get the left one.
Right clear, right clear.
Flash,
Holy
flash.
shit. Flash, yeah.
Alright, left clear.
Clear. Checking back. Back's good.
Watch back now.
Alright, watching right.
Up.
Clear
Pressure on
right.
you.
Behind red.
Right, watching back.
Checking backside again. Backside clear.
Holding
Alright.
security. Holding security.
Watch
Roger.
the staircase.
I'll work with you then.
Adam.
Covering back. When they're ready.
Alright, is there another way up top?
Unless you got a
Got
better.
it. If I try and repel, but only way it goes down.
Oh shit.
It's gotta be good enough.
Silence, you mind if I
We
Right,
can
change
try and
music?
repel up, but I doubt it.
Right, on me.
Yeah, switch to music, switch to music.
Naked died.
Oh, I can't.
Keep going, keep going. Come on.
Come on, lads, on me.
Silence, could
We
you play
gotta-
Assaulting the Submarine Base?
Gotcha.
We're still in first. We're still in the fucking first level here. Moving up. Shadow on you.
Lads, let's go.
Behind Delta.
Right, we're gonna move.
Flash.
Flash, get back. Right, I'm good.
Nudge.
Flash
Oh,
six,
Right,
Bert.
Mid to the right.
Flash.
Right,
Watch
stand
crossfire.
by, then I'm going move. Moving right, moving right.
Roger, roger.
Right, friendly,
I'm on
friendly.
Nathan here.
Nice.
Right.
Good
Keep moving,
behind
keep
you.
moving.
Nathan, check left. Yep, yep, yep.
I'm all, alright, we got
Keep moving, keep moving.
Red on our 6, so we're good.
Raj. Need that right hallway clear. Oh, what the fuck is that kind of peak? Holy shit.
Right, we got frozen here.
Alright. I'm pushing straight, so I'm cover on my left.
Yep, coming, coming.
Moving, moving. Clear, moving clear.
Alright, clear.
ID
Well, let's move up
back.
one minute.
Oh,
ID,
Oh,
shit.
it's ID,
back
ID.
up,
Get
back
back,
up,
get back,
back
get
up.
back. Holy shit.
Fuck. Behind him, get behind him.
Oh, Jesus.
Right, we're good.
That was close.
Are we all good?
We're good, we're good.
Loose dude.
Alright. Nick behind you. Keep going, keep going.
Nick is.
Got your 6. We're really stacked here. Watch out for a grenade.
Oh, yep. Alright. On you, peeking.
If I can pixel
Right,
lock this.
watch your
That
front.
sniper's dead. Watch that shit. Give me
Right,
an ID
I'm
there.
moving left, moving left.
Nick, if you're an IED, move the hell back, okay?
Back. Shit, I hear something.
Heard something to the
I'm
Back up,
holding.
back up, back up. Back
ID, ID.
ID.
Holy shit.
It's another one.
Holy hell.
Pushing,
That was
pushing.
close. Alright. Pushing around the corner.
ID. Back up, back up.
Another one. Oh.
Yep.
Maybe.
Move behind something.
Something initiated
Yeah,
back
keep
there. I
moving.
heard a beep.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I heard it too.
Yep, so.
Checking the small room here. Looking clear from the breach. Alright. Who's on me?
Hold on, push number.
I'm coming to a small room right here. Could I get one on
Garage.
me?
Hold on.
Alright.
Yeah. Stand by.
Shit.
Where?
Alright. Gone,
Never mind,
come on.
the
I don't
knock.
disregard.
Okay.
Alright, peeking, peeking. Clear. This is
Right.
a generator room.
Alright, let's move forward.
Push
Paper.
through.
That's clear, it's clear.
We're
Okay.
good. Green.
Calm down.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Yeah, keep moving.
Hit.
Shadow on
I'm
you,
hit.
shadow on you.
I'm hit. Don't have to myself.
He's down. Checking right, clear. Oh shit. What the hell was that?
Alright, I'm all good.
Alright, someone watch those stairs for me. Covering this long angle here.
Hey, yo, heads up, yo,
gotta
remember that
cast
propane
like-
tanks are IEDs.
Propane.
Holy shit. Yep. Get back, get back, get back now.
Around the corner.
Alright, push up on it.
Holy shit.
I'm hit bad.
We kinda got the. We got separated.
Alright, I'll
here.
cover you, I'll cover you. I'm holding the angle here.
Pushing up, we got separated.
Hey, firm.
I hold it.
Alright, you got another hallway here.
Alright, copy.
Alright, Nick's checking left, I'll
Alright,
check
I'm
right.
green.
Green clear.
Good deal.
Holy shit. Alright,
Right, Nick. I'm pushing it.
this hallway's closed.
Alright, we got a fucking.
I'm pushing down this hallway here to the fucking west.
On your tail end, Nick.
I think we found gas
Get
pipes.
fresh
I think
ammo
we-
here. Pick up ammo if you need it. Guys, on me, on me. Fresh ammo.
I'm good, I'm good.
Raj,
Yeah,
I'm
no.
grabbing some. Went through like 2 megs about.
It's a long drop. Sounds like
gas
something's
as hell?
leaking.
Yeah, it
We should
is.
not be in there.
Fuck it.
Alright, here, come back to the stairs, come back to the stairs.
Nick, I don't know what's through there, but I think that went back
we'll
to where
cover
we
the
were
back.
previously.
ID.
ID, yep.
Fuck. Alright, we're not. Oh, that
Holy
was-
shit.
Wait, that was fucking close.
Yep. I'm climbing the stairs here.
Right, yep.
Flash.
Flash.
Oh, that was that flash, yep.
Break on your 6.
Right, on the roof here now.
Watching up, watching up.
D-top got fucked here. To cover now, to cover now. Push around
fuck.
behind these,
Watch
buildings
right,
here.
Watch right. Watch right. Right,
Engaging
push up.
nods.
Raj, I'm flanking around here.
Yep, nods down. I can't see. Oh, I'm hit. Sniper.
Shit.
Need cover.
Laying on fire.
Right, firm.
Changing mags.
Alright, I got myself in the
What are these SAM sites?
That tower looks clear, tower looks clear.
Contact, contact. One down, pushing
I'm
through.
kind of holding south here. Out of ammo. Fuck. Oh, jam. Need someone to cover me?
I'm good.
Down me. Holy shit.
Where are you? Okay. Right, Berg, moving to your right.
Hey, firm.
Right, knocks down. Contact. Out of ammo.
Ah, shit. Reloading.
Yep, reloaded.
Check,
Up.
check
Up.
each of these rooms here. Alright. This fire stack looks clear. Moving on.
Yep, clear. Contact.
Yep, apron.
Right.
Moving across.
Tower, sniper in the tower.
Watching.
He's down.
Sniper
I'll
up top
fucking hit
dead.
him.
Hey, firm.
Storm is hit bad. I'm covering him.
I'll fuck.
Oh, from behind. Holy hell. Alright,
Right,
Shadow.
covering back.
Cover you. Shadow, heal up. You're low.
Yep, come down. Cover.
Carving. Same sights there. First,
Yep.
get to one and deal with it. You good, Shadow?
Yep, hold on.
Hey, firm.
All good.
Alright, cool. On me. We'll close
On
this
you.
left side here.
Welcome.
I'm on this.
Back to looks
I'm on
clear.
the SAM site, but I don't know
Checking
how
these
these
houses.
sounds. Are you still here?
Alright, clear.
You just roleplay putting the explosives down.
No, but I have a real explosive.
Alright.
Sounds.
Uh,
how does
right.
the IED work?
Hey.
Right, let's go cover fresh.
Actually, wait, no, I'll fucking do it. Here, move.
Right, let's
Alright.
go cover fresh. Let's cover
Hey,
fresh.
firm.
You want me
If
to
I'm
say?
saying
watch
hi,
out,
just
there's
say
an-
it.
So you just click
There's
it?
an, yes, there's an IED right here. You should clear out.
Oh, fuck, back up. Wait.
Yeah, hey, firm. Back
Got
up,
my
back up.
planted.
Here, find some spot, like, defend the stairs and stuff. Make sure they can't get up here.
Yep, covering stairs.
Find any stairs you can find and cover them.
We got. Oh, ID.
That's
that's
just
the SAM going off.
the
Yeah.
explosives.
I'm calling mine
That's
in.
the Sam.
Alright. Got a nice
Another
tower
one.
here.
Is that the Sam going off for?
Alright.
Alright.
Let's see. Alright, Shadow, fucking Nick, I'll help you guys cover the stairs. We got another tower up here that we can use as a nice spot.
Okay, I'm covering.
Alright,
Hey,
SAMs
cover,
are down.
cover the stairs up.
Yeah, alright. I'm covering the stairs.
Disengaging now.
Right, let's
stairs up.
send back down. Send back down. Or wait, are we gonna get Exfil by heli or what?
I have no idea. It was just to defend here for now. Find some stairs and cover them.
Yeah, just cover the rooftop. Cover the rooftop.
Yeah.
Make sure the enemy cannot get up here.
Here, all of 160th is down there.
They went down? Okay, cool. Let's follow them.
Yeah.
then.
Yeah, fucking
Pushing down?
We'll take
Okay.
up the rear.
I'm on DJ.
Alright, let's go back to the RHIBs.
Roger.
Try to
Let's go.
extract. Check.
Taking point. Just backtrack here.
Add ammo unique.
Drifted off.
One of the
Might need secondary
Something gets
exfil.
activated. Not if we're fast enough, come on. Gotta find the stairs and just get the hell down there. Oh, actually, we can rappel down. Here.
contact.
Shit.
Why the fuck did he spawn in front, bro? I spawned him over here.
Alright. Let's see. I'm with red team. I'm just gonna rappel down.
I'm going those stairs.
Hell, perfect.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back to my.
I'm rappelling down back to the boats. I think our boat's over here, actually, yeah.
Alright. Moving.
Alright, yep. We just gotta swim to it. Alright, Shadow, I'll get on you here. Yep.
Yeah, our boats are. I can't
Shoot,
get on
ID.
it.
ID.
Fuck. Yeah, our boat is kinda there. So
Yeah, no. I cannot swim. Oh, hold on, actually. You might be able to swim there, Shadow. You only have 2 knots.
No, I have
Is that a
You
boat
keep
over
on-
there?
Yeah, it's in the middle of the water. We can't catch it.
Dude, if only I could
Actually-
rocket
yo,
jump
actually,
with the
Shadow,
ID.
No, Shadow. Attach a rappel to the edge of the dock here. Try and go into the water. See if you can swim.
I got you guys, bro. I got you.
oh, never mind.
I get in the fucking boat.
There he is.
Remote control.
Aladdin's magic
Don't worry.
carpet.
Just let's lay on the bow into the dock and we'll be good. We can just walk on it.
The hitbox kinda glitchy, you see?
That's as far as it goes.
Alright, cool.
You
Can
have
you
to
just
make the
TP us in?
jump. Yeah.
Well,
Alright, I made it.
Right, go and drive it. Or something.
Drive it? Okay, sure.
What?
Roger.
No, there's.
Alright, engine's on, just... Oh
ID.
shit. No, what the hell?
ID.
Is that on a boat?
It's not in our boat. It's on the dock though, just jump, come on.
I can't, dude. I'm so laggy.
You can.
Oh, we just float. Okay, magic. Alright, I'll sit on the.
No!
ID! Get on, Shadow, get on!
No!
Shit, run.
No.
Okay, we're good.
Nah, I'm
we
not
good?
on.
I don't know. Oh
can't
shit.
get
He
Wait, you
drowned.
can't leave Shadow, bro.
back. Bro, come on!
He's stuck in the water, dude. He can't get up.
We can't do
I'm
anything,
he's
dude. We
literally
gotta go.
Good enough.
Go! The fuck out
Get
of
the hell
here!
out.
Yo,
Fuck.
that
Go
heated
pick
up,
Red,
bro.
pick
That
Red,
heated
pick
up.
Red. Go
It
pick
did.
up red.
Who? Where?
It's
ID.
right on the bow, right on the bow.
Ah, shit. Okay. Did on the boat?
Get down.
Jesus.
Alright, Red, board up. Pick a boat now. Holy shit.
Another ID. Back up.
Come on.
Hey,
Heads down, boys. Heads
Get in
down.
hell, out.
Follow the boat. What's going on?
Well, good luck.
There's two of them.
Oh.
What is going on, bro? Oh, Jesus.
Holy shit.
Well, I guess they just destroyed their own oil rig, like having.
I'll stand by and wait for green here.
What?
Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot of IEDs. Holy shit.
No joke, dude.
Oh, well,
Oh,
Holy moly.
yeah, I guess their fucking oil rig is destroyed now.
I have no words. I'm not gonna roleplay that shit. If anybody wants to say something, be my guest.
Jesus. That's all the words I got.
Yeah, the fucking.
Flare.
Flare.
Shore.
Shit. Moving to cover.
Contact on the shore?
A-frame.
Yeah, suppress them.
Just gonna keep going. You guys want effective line of fire, or do you want to get the hell out
I'm
of here?
hit. I'm fucking hit.
Shit. All right. Turning.
Changing mags.
Hold up.
Alright.
Myself.
Contact. Oh, I'm
Oh,
hit. Hit bad.
He's hit. Fuck. Just gonna keep going.
Just
Full
keep
speed.
going. Don't stop. Keep going.
Make yourself up. Just get the hell out of here.
Yep. Fucking snipe. Fuck.
He just barely
the sniper's
missed.
targeting us.
We're out of range now, I think. Oh,
Nades.
The fucking one
farther out.
now. Yeah, they're three fucking mortars on us now.
sniper's too. Holy shit.
Jesus. Contact.
Oh fuck. Oh,
Getting out of range here.
mortar.
Oh, I just holy hell.
Berg, you.
Took a hit. Yeah, I'm good.
Those are hitting awful close.
No,
Where'd
really.
they
They're
go?
still way out.
Like,
Oh, they're targeting the other boat now. Shoot.
Oh
Yeah.
fuck.
Can't really do much for them, to be honest. No armor.
It's like trying to lose them.
Reloading.
We should be in the clear now, Fresh. I'd recommend you get into sea again. Shadow, if you want, you can just continue fire there.
Jesus.
Except for you, Nick.
Like, oh, I
Holy
can.
hell.
I'm like,
Oh,
no,
man.
I'm
Hell
like,
yeah.
sorry, 9010. Sorry, 9010, X25. I got my fucking eardrums.
Take a little bit of tinnitus, otherwise I'm good.
My fucking
NVM America it is. Yo.
Bro, I thought that was a fucking. I thought it was an SU-25 fucking coming for us.
It's like the gun sports down now.
Yeah, cause I just heard the bird. I was like, well, shit. I guess we're done. I guess we're gone.
Guess we're gone.
Yeah, I guess that's it. God.
Hey, yo, who took pictures?
I got the whole
I
thing
took a
recorded.
few.
Okay, good.
Would be better if I wasn't on 30 FPS, or now 20, but still cool.
And like I wasn't on fucking 30 FPS even though
Alright,
I
I'll
went
put her
my
at the docks again.
Somehow managed to survive that.
Somehow.
Don't
Alright, I'll
touch
bring
it.
it as close as I can.
Honestly, the thing I didn't like is that we're like what fucking 40 dudes in the fucking oil rig, and like we were kind of too.
Alright,
bunched
good
up,
enough.
and
Just hop the hell out.
good enough. We're not boat drivers.
Oh, I fell.
Oh,
God dang it.
oh fuck, they both
So
fell.
that's getting TPS.
Oh, I fell
Fuck's
too.
sake,
No, the seats are actually kind of garbage though.
Fuck
Thank
sakes, man.
Two more
Help,
down
I'm
there.
drowning
Berg and
here.
Shadow.
Yeah, shadow it. Yeah,
I'm drowning.
I'm drowning.
That didn't work.
Free homie.
Alright.
I'm already up. I'm already
Alright,
up.
perfect.
Alright, we're good. We're good.
They need to fix their gear at least, dude. They can't swim with this.
Like I guess because you have like I don't know.
ID, yo, shit.
ID. Back up.
ID.
Dude, where's Speedy when you need him, bro? He's 18C.
Yeah, bro. Where's our EOD? Where's our EOD?
Where's our
Bro.
EOD? I swear.
Alright. You know what? Stand back. I'm gonna disarm it. Stand back.
Alright, yeah.
You can disarm
back,
it by
stand
shooting
back.
it.
I don't
Yeah,
know. No, it doesn't work.
Oh shoot! It's going off.
Yeah, yo, get down.
It's going off. Alright.
Okay, go.
Alright, disarmed. Let's go.
What if I blow up our own boat? God's
Oh, I
That'll be
swear to God.
hilarious.
That'll be a bad idea. Oh, there's a cross here. Cool. Trying to get to docks before sounds can blow us up.
Damn, bro. Where's our EOD when we need it?
For real.
Does Speedy still have Thermite as his codename? Did he change it after he died at that one deployment?
His
Operation.
name is Fuse now.
Fuse.
Base Rainbow Six.
What do you mean, bro? I'm like, let's just not get Speedy in a hostage situation, like never. Because you know his name is Fuse, and you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Return to on duty.
Yep.
I'll drag us.
Pick a spot. no.
I swear to God. Nope.
Thank you.
Get up, everyone. Get up, everyone.
You know what my question is? How